What if every time you upload a YouTube video, it automatically gets posted on your Facebook page without you doing anything manually? Sounds powerful, right? So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how to automate YouTube to Facebook with Pabbly Connect and boost your reach on autopilot. So the objective of this workflow is very simple. Whenever a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically one instant post is going to be created in my Facebook page. So yes, this is the exact automation we are going to build in this video by using Pabbly Connect. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow from the scratch. First open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, it will ask me to select the workflow builder that I am going to select as new beta. Next, I am entering the workflow name as auto post YouTube video to Facebook instantly. After that, the folder I am going to select as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, I'm going to select my trigger application as YouTube because as soon as a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically this automation gets triggered. After selecting the application, the app event I'm going to select as new video in channel with video URL. Next, I will click on this connect button. After that, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here, I'm going to make a new connection. So I will click on this add new connection. Next, I will click on the sign in with Google. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission. So I'm permitting it by clicking on this continue button and see how easily your YouTube account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. After that, you have to select the channel ID from here that I'm going to select as demo channel. See, this is my channel. After that, the response format with three quick options, name as simple, advanced and raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key value, structured data or an array, then you will select this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON that you will receive from the webhook. After selecting the response format as simple, I am clicking on the save and send test request button and see I have received the response with the most recent video URL. Here I want you to know that YouTube works on the polling based application. A polling based application in Pabbly Connect works by automatically checking the app at regular intervals to detect new data and trigger the workflow when new record found. As we have received the video URL of the most recent video that are uploaded into my YouTube channel and its title too, this means that my YouTube account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect and the setup of my trigger application is completed. After that, I am moving forward to my action application, that is Facebook page, because I want to update an instant post on my Facebook page. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus option and searching the application as Facebook pages. After that, I'm selecting the app event as create page post. Next, I will click on this connect button. Again, it will provide me two options. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here, I'm going to make a new connection. So I will click on this add new connection. Next, I will click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here, my account is already logged in. So I'm clicking on this continue button and see how easily your Facebook account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Moving forward, I am going to select the page name as the Magic Makers. See, this is my page, the Magic Makers. After that, I'm going to enter a message in this field that I want to set with the post every time when a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Here I have added the message content. Now in this, I am going to do the mapping of the video title. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So here I want to map the most recent video title. That's why I am selecting it from this responses and see this is how you can do the mapping. Now what is mapping? So mapping makes data dynamic completely based on the new data. Every time when a new video is uploaded, then with the help of this this mapping, automatically the title of the video is changed and placed in this place. In simple words, mapping makes data dynamic completely based on the new inputs. After doing the mapping of title, in this link URL field, I am going to do the mapping of the video URL that I have received from my previous application, that is YouTube. So to do the mapping, I am again doing the same by selecting the video URL response from here. Here I mapped. So this is how easy it is. After that, you just have to click on this button. I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Facebook page to see whether a new post is created or not by refreshing it. And see, automatically a new post is created in my Facebook page that includes the content that I have entered in this message box and the most recent video URL too. Once I click on it, then I will directly land it on this video. So this is how it works. Here I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and set test request button just only to create the test post. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new post is successfully created into our Facebook page, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. With the help of this automation, whenever a new video is uploaded on your YouTube channel, then automatically one instant post is created in your Facebook page without you touching your phone. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And if you want to create this type of same automation for yourself, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.